Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to make crock-pot mac and cheese. It is super delicious, but more important, it is super easy. In fact, this recipe is so easy that the hardest part is figuring out what I'm going to do with myself while I wait for this water to boil. Now that we've got that theory fully confirmed, all I have to do is mix up the ingredients, throw them in the crock pot. We have 16 ounces of cooked Mueller's elbow macaroni, strained. We have 1/4 cup of margarine. We have 1 large can of evaporated milk. We have 2 eggs. We have 2 cups of whole milk. And then we have all of this cheese. There is so much cheese in this, I feel like I need to stir a little bit to get it all mixed in. Start with my backup cheese. Little mild cheddar cheese. Actually, it's not a little, it's 2 cups every time. This is the sharp cheddar cheese. And this is the Colby Jack cheese. And also it's called for some salt and pepper, but I don't have an exact amount. Just going with some. Okay, final stir. Smells nice and peppery now. And so we're about done. We're gonna spray the crock pot with cooking spray. We're going to cook on low for 3 or 4 hours. And my favorite part, do not stir while cooking. Okay, I am really gonna wait just 3 to 4 hours and then I will show you the reveal. That's it. This is super good, 100% worth the wait, and I would really say this is my fancy mac and cheese. Thanks for watching, bye!